Hello and welcome to another Stellarian Games video. In this episode, we're going to be continuing our DM box series where we're filling up a box full of goodies for a new DM. This, I think, is going to be the last video in this series, simply because my box is filling up and I'm running out of time before I need to close the box. So I'll continue making items for the Ultimate Dungeon terrain and other things for myself for use. But for this particular box, I'm going to leave it at that. So in this video, we're going to be covering how to make some wooden tables that can be used for interior, exterior, however you want to use them. But they are some rectangular tables and some round tables. The rectangular tables were scraps left over from when I made the door video. So if you made them the same way that I did, you ended up with some kind of short scraps that wouldn't really fit well for a door size unless you were making a door for a dwarf or a halfling or something like that. But for this, I used the remnants to make some square tables, and it's really simple. So let's go to the table and see how this is done. Okay, if you remember from the doors video, I'm doing the same segment, just to kind of recap. I'm wood burning along the lengths of these large jumbo popsicle sticks. This will give the impression of wood planking. For the doors, I'm using kind of the outer two sections. That middle section was left over. That's what we're going to be using for the tables. So for the tables, I'm just using a 1/2-inch wooden block and hot gluing it right to the center of the table. And that's really it for the wooden table. For the round ones, I'm using a little wooden spool on 2 wooden discs. Just hot gluing those two together. And again, that's really simple and easy. That's it for the construction. Now I'm just going to dip them in the wood stain. Wipe off the excess on the paper towel. And let that dry. This is about as simple as it gets for creating quick and easy tables for the tabletop. So here's the finished result. I hope you like this video. This one was really quick and easy, but I hope you like the entire DM box series. It was a really enjoyable project to get this all ready to go, and I'm super excited to see my family member open it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks.